amidst growing concern by Democrats accusing the Trump administration of bending the rule of law to implement their agenda. South Dakota Attorney General Marty Jackley is now weighing in. Parker Brown with our 9 o'clock top story tonight.
Rule of law has been under scrutiny of late. Critics say President Trump is defying rule of law, but the Trump administration has only made appeals to court decisions so far. South Dakota Attorney General Marty Jackley says he believes in the separation of powers and defines rule of law as something legislators pass, judges interpret, and attorneys general and the executive branch enforce.
Without a rule of law, we have chaos. We have prosecutors going one direction, we have state government going a different direction, and it's important that the rule of law is enforced, and the people that enforce the rule of law are the executive branch, which is the various attorneys general.
Jackley is worried about the effectiveness of the legislature, which he believes is the reason for the number of executive actions issued by President Trump.
When you have a component, the legislative component, that's not keeping up its end of the bargain, it's too much reliance on these executive orders, which does concern us.
White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt addressed accusations of the Trump administration defying the rule of law by accusing judges of acting erroneously.
We have judges who are acting as partisan activists from the bench. They are trying to dictate policy from the President of the United States. They are trying to clearly slow walk this administration's agenda, and it's unacceptable.
Jackley says that before the new administration took over, attorneys general have had ongoing concerns about the interpretation of immigration law, to the point where various lawsuits were filed.
We have felt that the rule of law is there's immigration laws in place, they need to be followed and not ignored. And just Washington has not really followed their own rules.
In Sioux Falls, Parker Brown, Dakota News Now.